Heard you can't eat ice cream with a cough? Spoiler: it's not that simple. People love simple answers. Cold food equals worse cough. But science prefers nuance. Cold drinks don't magically make viruses multiply or inflame your lungs. In fact, a cool sip can numb and soothe an irritated throat short-term. Where the myth comes from: cold air or cold triggers can tighten airways for some, especially people with asthma or reactive airways, and that can feel like a worse cough. Cold can also make mucus feel thicker and sharper when you swallow, so you notice it more. Other real culprits: acid reflux, postnasal drip, allergies, lingering inflammation from a cold. Those are what actually keep a cough hanging around, not an ice cube. So what should you do? If cold stuff bothers you, choose warm drinks. Stay hydrated, use a humidifier, try honey for ages 1+, treat reflux, treat allergies if needed. Bottom line: cold food rarely makes a cough worse for most people, but if you're sensitive, avoid it. Trust your throat and see a doc if it's stubborn. Myth, mostly busted.